So now I'm going to be creative. I have cornmeal, and I'm going to make a kind of a cornbread. At least that's my attempt, because I couldn't find a recipe for what's in my head, so I have to create it. I'm going to use egg, cornmeal, maybe a bit of sour cream, and some canned cream corn, along with, of course, baking powder, and I'm not sure what other ingredients, but we'll find out. Okay, on the off chance this comes out, I'm going to film it. So, dry ingredients first. We stockpiled our cornmeal and stuff during this pandemic, and I'm going to use some up and replenish my supplies. So I am going to put in this is a 2/3, so okay, so about 2 cups. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of soda, and I'm really debating on the baking powder. Obviously, I don't measure totally accurate, and I got an urge to put this in, so I'm gonna do it. I couldn't find a recipe. So that's half a teaspoon. Just a little. And I'm gonna add some salt. Plenty of salt. Okay, so that's a teaspoon. I'm just gonna use my spoon here to stir those around. I'm going to add some butter. That's going to be my oil. Yeah, for some reason I want a little extra. I'm going to do 2.5. And I'm going to move the camera for a minute and put it in the microwave because I want it melted. Okay. It's mostly melted. Put that in there. This is another thing, because regular bread I add egg, and I've gone back and forth debating on it, but decided I'm putting it in. And I'm putting in 2 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and whip this up. So I added about 2/3 cup of sour cream and half a can of creamed corn, and the battery is going to die, so I'm going to mix this up. If the consistency looks right, put it in the oven and see what happens. Okay, it came out a nice consistency, kind of like a cake batter. Of course it's gritty because it's made with real cornmeal. So hopefully that's all going to absorb well enough, has enough moisture. Here's hoping. Originally, I had planned this to be a little bit salty as a duck stuffing, but it tasted so good, we're going to just eat it as cornbread. Reduce your salt by half a teaspoon or 2 1/2 teaspoons. Thanks for watching.